How to withdraw your money on IQ option. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to withdraw your money in IQ option, easy and fast method. So first thing we do, we go to IQ option right here, and now this is the home page. As you can see, now you have to go to the top corner right here and click on those three lines and then click on withdraw. And after that, it will you have to choose your payment method that you want. You have many options: add cash, neteller, perfect money, Skrill, or even web money. And after that, choose the balance and you will be able to click save, and everything will be done. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.